In America right now, people think they're upgrading their car. But what's really happening is something most don't see coming. They're not upgrading. They're upgrading their debt. And the worst part? That old loan they still owe doesn't disappear when they trade in their car. It just follows them into the next one. The numbers behind this are brutal. Nearly 1 in 3 trade-ins now comes with negative equity, meaning the owner owes more than the car is worth. And on average, they're already $7,183 underwater. That's not a small gap. That's a financial hole that gets carried forward. And here's what makes this even more surprising. Most of these cars are over 4 years old. So people are holding on to vehicles longer, yet still not escaping debt, which means something in the system is broken. There are 3 major forces driving this. First, loan lengths. 72 months, 84 months, even 96-month auto loans. Longer loans feel easier monthly, but they trap you for years after the car loses value. Second, prices. The average new car is now close to $50,000. Used cars? Still inflated compared to pre-2020 levels. So buyers are financing more debt from day one. Third, interest rates. Many buyers rolling negative equity are sitting near 8% APR or higher. So you're paying more money for more years at higher cost. That's a triple hit most people never calculate. Now here's where it turns into a trap. Let's say you're $7,000 underwater. You go to upgrade your car. That debt doesn't disappear. It gets rolled into your new loan. Now, instead of a $40,000 car, you're financing $55,000 plus. Your payment jumps, often near $900 plus per month. So what do dealers do? They stretch the loan again to make the payment feel affordable. And just like that, you've entered a cycle. A cycle where every trade-in resets the trap, not breaks it. And it's not just individual buyers. The system is under stress. Auto loan delinquencies are at multi-year highs. Repossessions recently hit nearly 2 million vehicles, the highest since the financial crisis era. And yet, used car prices are still stubbornly high. That combination, rising defaults, high prices, and stretched credit, doesn't happen in a healthy market. Cars don't behave like assets. They don't appreciate. They depreciate fast. So when you combine long loans plus fast appreciation, you create a situation where equity is almost impossible to build early on. And if you keep trading every few years, you're not resetting your progress. You're resetting your debt. If you're in this situation, 3 things actually matter. First, know your payoff number. Always. Second, avoid rolling negative equity into a new loan unless you fully understand the cost. Third, keep your current car longer than your impulse says, because time is the only thing that actually rebuilds equity here. At the end of the day, this isn't really a car problem. It's a financial awareness problem. Because most people think they're upgrading their lifestyle, when in reality, they're just extending a loan they never escaped. So here's a question. Would you still trade your car if you found out you were already thousands underwater? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more breakdowns like this, where the system behind everyday money decisions gets exposed, subscribe.